The Tale of Icarus, Flying Too Close to the Sun. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a phrase that originates from an ancient Greek myth. Have you ever heard someone use the term Icarus in a conversation and wondered what it means? By the end of this video, you'll not only know the story behind the term but also how to use it in a conversation. Let's soar into the story of Icarus. Icarus is a character from Greek mythology. He and his father, Daedalus, were trapped on an island by King Minos. To escape, Daedalus crafted 2 pairs of wings made from feathers and wax for them both. Daedalus warned Icarus not to fly too close to the sun, as the wax would melt, and not too close to the sea, as the feathers would become wet and heavy. However, as Icarus flew, he became overconfident and forgot his father's warnings. He flew higher and closer to the sun. As predicted, the wax on his wings melted, causing him to fall into the sea and drown. In contemporary English, referring to someone as an Icarus, or saying someone has an Icarian fall, is to suggest that their overconfidence or hubris led to their downfall. It's a warning about the dangers of not heeding advice and getting carried away by one's ambitions or passions. For example, if someone gets a promotion and then immediately starts making rash decisions without consulting others, leading to problems at work, you might say, "He really pulled an Icarus, didn't he?" To help you better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. Sarah's ambition was her strength, but she became her own Icarus when she took on too many projects and couldn't complete any of them well. 2. The company tried to expand too quickly without a solid plan. It was an Icarian fall. 3. He always reaches for the stars, but I hope he remembers the tale of Icarus. The Tale of Icarus is more than just a story. It's a cautionary tale about the dangers of overconfidence. When you hear the term Icarus in modern conversations, it's a reminder to stay grounded, heed advice, and not let our ambitions cloud our judgment. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning behind this intriguing phrase for you. Until next time, keep soaring high, but remember the lessons from the tales you learn. Safe travels on your language journey.